Let's talk about amusement parks, slide rides and rides in the dark. Rides right here and rides all over, but mostly coasters, mostly coasters. We'll talk about all kind of things, but mostly coasters.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but
mostly coasters.
And today we're in an African jungle. No, but we're at Busch Gardens and it's windy and we're excited. It's been a minute since we've been here. We waited till after all the holiday craziness to visit again. And now it's not too busy. Midways aren't packed shoulder to shoulder, so it'll be a nice fun time, hopefully. So we're starting out the day by just checking out some primates. Checking out some of our distant relatives, right, sweetheart? Or not so distant, depending on what time frame you want to look at, I guess.
Yeah, cute, huh?
These monkeys look weird.
No.
One of the only rides closed today is Shikra, which is a bummer because I get on it every time I come without her, but Shikra just doesn't like you, dude.
I know. I don't really like it, so.
Ooh, shade. So waiting for Falcons Fury, it has been half an hour and they have done 4 cycles. They're doing a cycle every like 8-ish minutes. How was Falcons Fury?
Pretty darn fun.
Yeah, since it's been like about a month, right?
Yeah.
Since we've gone on any type of rides, it was a little more thrilling than I feel like it normally is. It's just been a minute. It was really fun. Chilly and windy up there, kind of added to it, I think. Good stuff. I should actually also mention that operations got like a lot better for the last 2 cycles we were in line when another team member showed up. When that person showed up, everyone had a little more pep in their step. So yeah, that was good. It got better. Also, it's still Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Also, their log flume has opened since the last time we've been here, but it's a little breezy and chilly, so I don't know if we're gonna hit it up. What do we get?
Everything.
Kind of. We got the Smokehouse sampler. A couple of ribs, we got some brisket and chicken and fries, and a side of mac. And then so with our 20% discount for being Platinum Pass holders, all this was $17, which is pretty decent. It was pretty good. Tasty. You liked it, right?
Oh yeah, I liked it a lot.
The mac is definitely delicious. The mac was my favorite thing for sure.
Better than a burger or a chicken tender.
Did you have ice in your mouth?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Javi, what do you call parrot poop?
What?
Macaca.
Oh no.
Just waiting on Glazzy to open. The lighting isn't great. was it?
That's good. You're here.
I don't even think I said we were going to go on Cheetah Hunt, but look what has happened. We've gone on it. That was better than your last ride where you smacked your head around?
Yeah, I just kept my head way out.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I like that drop in the back. Good stuff. So apparently that's the last ride for the day. Javey and I got here around 1. The park closed at 5. Didn't get a ton of stuff done. Like I said, we were here for a good 4 hours and only were able to get on a couple rides, eat lunch, and look at a couple exhibits. Still fun nonetheless. This is always a really pretty park. And one of the nice things about our visit this time, they were actually taking the safety precautions a little more seriously, it seemed. That was one of our big complaints from our last visit. We actually saw a lot of people throughout the park asking folks to wear their masks, not just the rides employees. That being said, in line for Cheetah Hunt, we had some guests that just kept breathing down our necks, taking their masks down. They're right behind us, talking to the grouper directly with their masks down, and the grouper said nothing. But like I said, overall, I think things were better today. And we still had fun because this is a really nice park. Also, I should mention that we asked those folks to back up a few times too. It wasn't just like they were getting too close to us, we didn't say anything, so they didn't do anything. No, we asked them multiple times. Here they are. I have no shame in showing them because they were
frickin' buttholes.
But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, 2 thumbs down so I know you didn't like it. Follow me. No, that's not how it works. I'm a boomer. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to watch more videos like this. And if you're feeling extra fancy, go ahead and share the video. But until next time...
It's a lot of pressure to put on me.
That's why I do it. It's funny.
Mac and cheese.